Welcome to Perspective Shift. The main menu appears with the phrase, A Spatial Maze Experiment. The title Perspective Shift is shown above a short description explaining that the path is blocked only from where the player stands. The Enter the Maze button starts the game, and the small control node explains that the user moves with WSD or the arrow keys, changes view with 1, 2, and 3, and uses edge for a hint. When the game begins, the maze fills the center of the screen. The top bar shows the current level out of 12, the remaining time, and the score. In the middle of the top bar, three view buttons let the user switch between front, side, and top. The active view is highlighted, and the small cube on the right rotates to match the selected perspective. The maze itself shows the current projection as bright walls over a dark grid. The start marker is shown in green, the exit marker is shown in red, and the player appears as a small glowing point. The current plane label appears inside the maze, so the user knows which perspective is active. The user moves through the maze with the keyboard. Movement changes based on the selected view. Front moves across width and height, side moves through depth and height, and top moves across width and depth. A wall may block the player in one view, but become passable after switching to another view. The bottom bar reminds the user of the movement and perspective controls. The hint button shows how many hints remain. When the user presses H or selects the hint button, ghost planes become more visible for a short time, helping the user understand how the other views connect. Chroma. When the user changes perspective, the maze briefly rotates and fades, then returns in the new view. Each view shift is counted, so the player is encouraged to solve the maze efficiently. The score updates based on remaining time, hints used, and the number of view shifts. When the player reaches the exit in the correct alignment, the screen flashes with perspective unlocked. The level complete panel appears with a star rating, final time, number of view shifts, and score. The next level button moves to the next maze. After level 12, the final result screen appears. A rotating trophy cube is shown with the message, Maze Mastered, and the line, You learn to distrust the first angle. The Play Again button restarts from the first level. Perspective Shift is a spatial puzzle game about seeing beyond the first view and finding paths that only appear when the player changes perspective.